Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to create a Fiverr seller account. So all you have to do is to simply go to fiverr.com and then simply click on become a seller in the top right corner, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on become a seller again, and then here you have to create your new account. So click on one of these options. So if you want, you can create your account using your Google, Apple or Facebook account, or you can use your own email address. I'm gonna do that really fast. So I'm gonna enter my email address, then create your password, and then simply click on continue here. Now here you're gonna have to choose your username, and then basically you're gonna have to click on create my account, and basically that's all you have to do in order to create your Fiverr seller account. And of course you're gonna have to set up your profile and everything, but overall that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.